Okay. Now the next load balancing method, what is that we are going to be seeing is called as what? Fastest method. Whenever we say fastest method, we will be assuming that what? How fast I'm getting the reply. Something like if I do ping, how fast I'm getting it. But it is not the case. Just because you are getting a ping reply at a faster rate, it doesn't mean that the application could also reply at the same speed, right? So what we need to understand is when it comes to the fastest method, it is going to be calculating the number of outstanding layer 7 requests. So how many requests I have forwarded to the server, out of which how many is pending. So if you take this example, you can see that there are 4 servers. Fourth server is having 17 requests pending, whereas first, second, and third servers are having simply 10 requests pending. So the request is going to be the next request is going to be forwarded only between these 3 servers because they have least number of outstanding requests, which is understood that it is responding fast. The servers are faster in responding, right? So to work with this layer 7 request, there are certain mandatory configuration elements. That means you have to have a layer 7 profile. For example, if you are working with a HTTP, you have to configure something called as a HTTP profile. Till now, we have not seen what is a profile and what is an HTTP profile at all. As we move forward, we need to move on to the profile section where we will be discussing about variety of profiles. So as part of your fastest load balancing method, you have to have one layer 7 profile assigned to the pool. Similarly, a TCP profile is also going to be associated with that. If you don't have this information, then you will not be able to select the fastest method. Let's go to your configuration section. Let me go ahead and say that was it that the fastest node or fastest um, fastest application. Let me say like this. I'm just in update. Let's see how it is happening. It's taken, right? So if I go and check that out, will it work? It will not be working because you have to apply a layer 7 profile as well as a TCP profile to collect the information from the servers. Based on that, it will be deciding which of the server could be used for forwarding the next request. So you have 2 choices, fastest application and you also have fastest node. You can select anything you want, right? So that is what all about your fastest load balancing method.